Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can delete Facebook Pixel. So without further ado, let's begin. To start, we will going to open your page, one of your page on this app called Business Suite. So now right here, I am currently logged into Business Suite with my page. And now just tap on Tools. Now right here on Tools, just tap on Help Center. And then right here on Help Center, you can see this search bar. Just type Delete Pixel. Or you can type Delete Facebook Pixel. So we are focusing on two words right here, which is the delete and then the pixel. And then we'll see remove metapixel code from your website, remove ad accounts or partners from our meta. There's a lot of options right here that you can choose from. So for example, I want to choose this first one, remove metapixel. Right here, you can see the step-by-step process on how you can remove metapixel. So make sure you have to read this and then follow the step-by-step process. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.